I just found out that you can create a fitting belt without curve, strap, snap, or frame mesh. Start by hiding a strip of waist polyloop with select lasso brush, flip visibility. Extend and flatten the top or bottom edge with ClipCurve brush. Before that, mask either the bottom or top edge, whichever you want to lock. In this case, the top. I want to extend the bottom edge. Use BZM Z Modeler brush. Hover over a top edge and press spacebar. Click on Mask, Edge Loop Complete to select what actions I want to do. Click on a top edge to mask the whole top edge loop. Control Shift, click and drag from left to right below the polyloop strip to test it. Yep, it works. Now I can look at the reference image straight on, extend the polyloop accordingly. Control, click and drag on the background to unmask everything. Clip the top part of the height as shown on the image. And here we've got a belt without using curves or frame mesh. How cool is that? Now I can go and reduce the geometries using Z remesher under Geometry. Oops, Ctrl Z to undo. Delete hidden under Subtools, Modify Topology. Delete hidden. Go back to Z remesher to reduce the number of active points to half. Click on Z remesh. And this should do. Now I am going to copy this subtool onto a new Julie tool so that I can fit the belt onto her waist. Click on Copy under Subtool. Click on Julie with 5 subtools intact and click on Make Polymesh 3D to extract just the body. Now paste the previously copied belt onto this subtool. Go under Subtool. Open up the Project tab to fit the belt onto the waist. For Project under Subtool to work, turn off other subtools not involved in this process. Turn on only the projector and the projected surface. Usually the default settings will do, but if your belt and body are very far apart, you can adjust the distance of projection using this slider. Then click on Project All. The belt should match the contour of the waist on the body. Increase the thickness with Extract under Subtool, and that's it. Use the thick slider to adjust and visually test out the thickness of your belt before clicking on Accept. Double will extrude the belt on the inside and outside plane. Turn it off for this case. Border gives it an extra crease on the edges. To know more about Extract, please click on the link to another video on the top right. And last but not least, if you're interested to know more about my new blog shop I'm still working on, please subscribe to my channel and I'll update you when the time comes. I'll see you in the next video. Adios!